Hello students, today we are going to start this exercise from question number 7. In this question, this figure is given. We have to find the area of shaded region. Okay. Now, where this shaded region going to lies between this sphere. Okay. Now, you know, side of the sphere is given 14 centimeter, right here, side 14 centimeter. Now, this is the center of the circle, and these two centers are going to touch each other. It means this is the radius from center to circumference. From center to circumference, this is known the radius R and R. So this become 2R. 2R is given 14 centimeter. So this is the whole side 14 centimeter. So R becomes 7 centimeter. So radius of in this question becomes 7 centimeter. Okay. Now in this question we are going to find the area of shaded region. So write here area of shaded region. This shaded region going to lies between this sphere. Right here area of sphere. Area of sphere is the complete figure name. Area of square ABCD minus, I want to subtract these four quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four quadrants are there. From complete sphere, if I subtract these four quadrants, then the remaining portion is there. So area of shaded region become area of square minus 4 times area of quadrant. 4 times area of quadrant. Okay. Now you know what is the area of triangle. How you find the area of triangle? Formula is side square. Minus 4. Area of quadrant you know pi r square by 4. This 4 is cancelled, is 4. Now in this question side is given which is 14 centimeter. So write here 14 and its square. After that minus value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius given 7 centimeter. Write here 7 into 7. 7 is going to cancel with 7. Square of 14 is 196 minus 2 7 is 14. So this become 154. Subtract 150 from 96. So this become 42 centimeter square. Simple answer is there. Okay. Area of square, total area of the figure. From this sphere you are going to subtract these four quadrants. So in this way you are going to find the solution of this question. Okay. Now we are going to start this question number 8. Okay. In the figure, this figure is given. A racing track. This is the racing track, whose left and right ends are semicircular. It means left and right. This is the semicircular ends. The distance between two inner parallel lines segment is 60 meter. Means distance between these two parallel lines is 60 meter. This one is 60 meter and this is the 60 meter. Means diameter of this smaller semicircle is 60 meter. And they are 106 meter long. And the length of these parallel sides is 106 meter long. This length from this end to this end, this is the 106 meter long. And both lines are parallel to each other because distance between these two lines are 60 meter. When you know, as you know, when two lines are going to having same distance, then they are known as parallel lines. So these two lines are parallel. Now in this question, if the track is 10 meter wide, the thickness of this track or width of track is 10 meter. From this end and from this end it is 10 meter, and from this end it is 10 meter. Okay, thickness is going to remain same, 10 meter. Find number 1, the distance around the track along the inner edge. So this is your inner edge. We are going to find the length of this inner track. Okay, so right here in first case, length of inner track. Now this is your track. This is your inner track. So length of this track is 106 meter. And the length of this track is 106 meter. Right here 2 into 106 plus this semicircular end and this semicircular ends. When you are going to join these two semicircular ends, so this becomes circle. It means you are going to find the length. Length means you are going to find the circumference of the circle. The formula becomes 2 pi r. So add 2 pi r. Okay. Now this becomes 212. 2 going to remain same. Value of pi is 22 by 7. What is radius? As you know, this is the diameter of the smallest circle. So half of the diameter, you know, if diameter is 60 meter, then radius is diameter, half of diameter. So 60 by 2 become 30 meter. So the radius of this inner track is 30 meter. Okay. So instead of radius, I want to write here 30. So nothing is going to cancel. Write here 212. 44 into 3. 3 4s are 12. This becomes 3120 upon 7. Write here 212. When you are going to divide 1320 by 7, then answer will come 188.7. Okay, add these two numbers. So this becomes 400.57 meter. This is the length of the inner track. Okay, I want to repeat this question. See, in this question we are going to find the length of this inner track. This track, see, this track. I want to find the length of this track. What is the length of from this end to this end? 106. From this end to this end, length of this track is 106. So I want to multiply it by 2. I write here 2 times the 106. Plus this semicircular end and this left semicircular end becomes circle. So this is the circumference of the circle. So write here 2 pi r. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Since this is the diameter of the semicircle, so half of the diameter you know 30 meters. So this becomes radius. Now 200. When you are going to multiply 106 by 2, this becomes 212. Nothing is going to cancel. So this becomes 44 into 3, 132 into 0 upon 7. When you are going to divide this value to this come, and you are going to add to this become. So this is your answer. Okay. Now in second case, we are going to find the area of the track. So right here, second case, area of track. Now this is your track. See, this is your first track. What is the shape of this track? When I want to separate this track for you, what is the shape? This is rectangular shape. How you find the area of rectangle? L into B. You know, length into breadth is the area of rectangle. Now in this question, breadth is 10 and length is given 106. So this is going to remain same. This is also rectangular part. So right here, area of track equal to 2 times L into breadth, because 2 rectangles are there. So area of this rectangle become L into B. Area of this rectangle is also L into B. Both are same. So I will write here 2 times the L into B. Area of rectangle. Now what left? This portion is left. This. Okay. This is from left, right side, and this is from left side. And what is the shape of this? So this is the shape of ring. And you know that how you find the area of ring? Formula is pi capital R square minus small r square. So right here, area of ring. Add you are going to add this portion. This portion is ring. So right here, pi capital R square minus small r square. Okay. Now what is the length? Length is 106. What is breadth? Breadth is 10. Right here 10. When your pi is 22 by 7. What is capital R? See, this is the radius of small circle. When you are going to add this 10, so this become capital R. So capital R become 40 meter, and this is 40 meter, and small r is 30 meter. So instead of capital R, we are going to write here 40 and its square, and it's instead of small r, we are going to write here 30 square. Clear? Now this become 2120 plus. I write here 22 by 7 by using formula a square minus b square. This become a minus b and a plus b. So this become 10 into 70. So this is going to cancel. Now what's your answer? 2120 from the first part. From the second part it become 2200. When you are going to add these two, so this become 4320 meter square. So this is the area of the track. Okay. In area of track, I use this rectangle and this rectangle. So this becomes twice of rectangle of area. So this end and this end, when you are going to join, so this becomes ring. So area of ring, you know, pi capital R square, small r square. After simple substitute the value, you got your answer. Okay. Now we are going to solve this question number 9. Again, one figure is there. In figure, AB and CD are two diameters. In this question, AB and CD are two diameters. Means a line passing from the center is known as diameter. Since this line is passing from the center, as you know, from center to circumference, this distance is known as radius. So OC, OB, OA and OD, all are radius of the circle. And OD is given 7 centimeter. If OD is 7, so all OB, OCD, OD become 7 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of shaded region. Now check where this area is going to shade. First, this circle is there. So right here, area of shaded region. So first part is the circle of circle, area of the circle. Area of circle with diameter OD. Whose diameter is OD, I take this area. Okay, area of the circle. Plus this area of semicircle. From area of semicircle, I want to subtract this area of triangle. If I subtract area of this triangle from this area of semicircle, then it is the shaded portion is left. So right here plus area of semicircle with radius 7 centimeter. Whose radius 7 centimeter? Okay, this is the radius of the semicircle. So right here with radius 7 centimeter minus area of triangle. What is the name of this triangle? BCA. BCA. Okay, or you can write area of right triangle. Why I write here right triangle? Because you know angle in a semicircle is right angles. If this angle is 90 degree, so this triangle become right angle triangle. And you know that how we find the area of right angle? 1/2 base into height. So this is the base of the triangle and this is the height of the triangle. Clear? Or it is given, you know that when these diameters are going to bisect each other, then they are going to make each 90 degree angle. Okay? Now, I write here area of circle. Area of circle with diameter OD. If diameter OD is 7 centimeter, then radius becomes 7 centimeter, 7/2 centimeter. Okay, half of the diameter is the radius of the circle. So write here pi r. R means 7/2 and its square. Now next one is pi capital R square by 2 because semicircle is there. Radius is given. So radius capital R becomes 7 centimeter. So I take it capital R, larger R, 7 centimeter. So instead of R, I want to write 7 centimeter. Okay. After that, minus 1/2 base into height, I want to use this formula. Now, value of pi is 22/7. 7/2 square means 7/2 can be written as 2 times. Value of pi is 22/7. In this question, I want to square of 7 2 times. Who is going to remain same? After that, 1/2. What is the base? This is the base of the triangle. 7 plus 7 become 14. Right here 14. What is the height of the triangle? This is the height of the triangle. So height of triangle is also 7 centimeter. Right here 7 centimeter. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So this become minus 49. 7 is going to cancel 7. So this become 154/2. After that this 7 is cancelled with 7. This is going to cancel with this. So this becomes 77/2. So 77/2. This become 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16.5. 2 7s are 14 and 2 7s are 14. So this is going to cancel minus 49. Okay. When you are going to add this 77 in 38.5 and subtract this 49 from the value, you got answer 66.5 in centimeter square. So this is your answer. Okay. I want to repeat once again. See, in this question we are going to find the area of shaded region. Check very, very carefully which area is going to shade. This small circle is going to shade. So it means we are going to find the area of this circle. How we find the area of circle? Pi r square. Diameter is 7, the radius becomes 7/2. Right here pi is 7/2 its square. After that, this shaded portion is going to lie between this semicircle. It means we are going to find the area of this region. When we are going to find the area of this region, how it is possible? From semicircle, you have to subtract this area of triangle. So then in this way, you are going to be able to find the area of this shaded region. So right here, area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of semicircle, you know, pi r square by 2. How we find the area of triangle? 1/2 base into height. So base of the triangle is 14, height is 7. So right here 14 into 7. Radius is given. Value of pi is 22/7. So this becomes 7 into 7 upon 2. Now 7/2 square is there. So 7/2 can be written as 2 times. After that, simple calculation is there. In this way, you are going to find the area of this area shaded region which is 66.5 centimeter square. Now we are going to solve this question number 10. See what is given in this question. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is given. In this question, area of equilateral triangle is given. So right here, area of equilateral triangle, which is 1720, 1720.5 centimeter square. Okay. With each vertex of this triangle ABC as a center, a circle is drawn with the radius equal to half of the length. It means radius is equal to half of the side. This is given. Half of the side is the radius of the circle. These three circles we are going to subtract from this triangle. After subtracting these three circles, we are going to find the area of this area of shaded region. Okay. So right here, area of shaded region. How you find the area of shaded region? Area of this triangle ABC, right here, area of triangle ABC minus area of these three sectors. Right here, 3 times area of sector. Okay, in this way you are going to find the area of this area of shaded region. In this question, area of triangle is given. So that use this value 17320.5 minus 3 times area of sector. How we find the area of sector? Formula is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. As you know, this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle having each angle 60 degree. It means all these three angles are of same degree. Same degree means 60 degree. Okay. Now theta becomes 60 degree. So I want to write here 17320.5 minus 3 going to remain same. Value of pi is given. Value of pi is 3.4. So write here 3.14. Okay. After that, r radius is not given. So use theta. Theta is given 60 degree. So I write 60 degree. So value of r is not there. First we are going to find the value of this radius. How you find the value of radius? First we are going to find the side. Because we know that half of the side is radius. So in this question we are going to find the value of side. Okay. Now this area is given. How you find the area of equilateral triangle? Finding the area of triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square equal to 1320.5. In this I want to find the value of this a. So a square become 17320.5 into 4 by root 3. Now value of root 3 is given. So instead of root 3, add this value 17320.5 into 4. Instead of 3, I want to write this value 1.7320.5. 1.720 point is here. So this is 5. When I want to remove this point, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there. So write 5 zeros. After that, when I want to mark this point, I write here 10. So this value is going to cancel with this. This zero is cancelled with this. What is left? 40,000. 40,000 is square of 40,000 is square of 200. So write here 200 square. Okay. So square is going to cancel with square. So a become 200. So in this question, side become 200. So instead of side, I want to write 200. When you are going to divide 200 by 2, so this become 100. So radius of in this question become 100 centimeter. Okay. So instead of radius, I want to write here 100. So 100 going to write 2 times because square is there. When you are going to remove this point, take 100. Now this 100 is going to cancel. 60 into 6, 360. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So this become 157. So 17320.5 minus this going to multiply 100 to this become 15720. When you are going to subtract 15,700 from this value, answer become 1620.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded region. Okay, simple formula you are going to use area of triangle minus area of this three sector. Area of triangle already given, take as it is. Simple, you are going to find the area of sector 3 times because three sectors are there. Subtract area three sectors from the area of triangle. So this is the required answer. Okay. Now we are going to solve this question number 11. On a square handkerchief 9 circular design, each of radius 7 centimeter are made. It means radius of these circles, all 9 circles having same radius 7 centimeters. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So this is the shape of sphere. From this sphere, we are going to subtract this 9 circles. After taking this 9 circle out from the sphere, what is the remaining portion of the this handkerchief? This is the question. Okay, find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So write here area of remaining portion. So main figure is your sphere. Write here area of sphere. Area of square ABCD minus 9 times area of circle. Okay, you know how you find the area of square? Formula is side square minus 9. How you find the area of circle? Pi r square. In this question, radius of the circle is given. R is given, which is 7 centimeter. You know, this is the radius, and this is also radius. This is also radius. This is also radius. This is also radius, and this is also radius. So 7 plus 7 become 14. 14 plus 14 become 28. 28 plus 14 become 42. It means side of sphere become 42 centimeter. This is in centimeter. Okay. See, from center to circumference, this is radius. If this is radius, this is also radius. So this is the diameter. If this diameter is 14, so this diameter also 14. This diameter also 14. 3 diameters are there. 14 3s are 42. Okay. So the length of the sphere become 42. Simple question become, now side become 42 sphere. 9. Value of pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? 7. Right here 7 into 7. So this is going to cancel. You know what is the square of 42? Square of 42 is 1764. 1764 minus multiply 22 by 7. This become 154. When you are going to multiply 154 with 9, so this become 1386. So this become 1386. Now subtract this 1764 from 1386. So the answer become 378 centimeter square. So this is the answer of remaining portion of the this square. Then you are going to subtract this 9 square from the given square handkerchief. The remaining portion become 378 centimeter square. Now we are going to solve this question number 12 of exercise 12.3. See, this figure is given. In the given figure OACB. This one is the quadrant. Okay, quadrant of the circle. With center O and radius is given. So radius of quadrant is given, which is 3.5 centimeter from center to circumference distance. This is the radius of the quadrant, and this OD is given. This length OD is given 2 centimeter. In this question, you are going to find the area of, in first case, area of quadrant. So in the first case, solve first. Right here, area of quadrant. How you find the area of quadrant? You know, formula, simple formula is this: pi r square by 4. Value of pi is not given, so use 22 by 7. What is the radius? Radius of the circle is given, which is 3.5. Right here 3.5 and 3.5. When you are going to remove this point, so this can come, and 1 by 4 is there. Now 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10. So this becomes 11. After that, this becomes 3 5s are 55, 385 upon, no, wait, something more going to cancel. See, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Now this becomes 77 by 8. Now you are going to divide this 77 by 8. When you are going to divide this 77 by 8, what will come? See, 8 9s are 72. So this becomes 9.3 So this become 9.625 in centimeter square. So this is the area of quadrant. Okay, so area of quadrant become 9.625. Now we are going to find the area of shaded region. So in the second case, we are going to find the area of this shaded region. Right here, area of shaded region. Okay, how we find the area of shaded region? Main figure name is quadrant. From this quadrant, you are going to subtract this triangle. If you subtract this area of this triangle, then area of shaded portion is there. Right here, area of quadrant minus area of triangle. What is the name of this triangle? OBD. Right here, OBD. Okay. Since this angle is 90 degrees, so this become right angle. So area of right angle, you know, the 1/2 base into height. So area of quadrant already taken out, which is 9.625 minus area of triangle. Formula I want to use 1/2 base into height. So this area of quadrant going to remain same. 1/2, but is the base? Base is 35/10. And what is the height? Height is 2. So this 2 is going to cancel 2. And you are going to divide 35/10. So this become 3.5. Now subtract 3.5 from 9.625. When you are going to subtract this 3.5, so answer become 6.125 centimeter square. So this is the answer of area of shaded region, and this is the area of quadrant. Okay, simple question is this. Now we are going to solve this question number 30 in the given figure. So this figure is given a sphere OABC insectly divided in a quadrant. Means this is your quadrant. In this quadrant, this sphere is given. Okay, we are going to find the area of shaded region. This shaded question we are going to find. Okay, how you solve this question? See, right here, area of shaded region. So what is the name of complete figure? The name of complete figure is area of quadrant. Right here, area of quadrant minus from area of from this complete quadrant. If I subtract this triangle, this sphere, so this is the area of remaining portion. Okay, from the given quadrant, you are going to subtract this area of sphere. If you are going to subtract this area of sphere, what is left? This shaded portion is left. So formula become area of quadrant minus area of sphere. How you find the area of quadrant? Formula finding the area of quadrant is pi r square by 4. How you find the area of sphere? Side square. Okay. Now in this question, this OA is equal to 20 centimeters given. OA means length of the sphere is given 20 meter. No, this is centimeter. Okay, length of the sphere is given. So side become 20 and sphere 20 sphere is 400. So area of sphere is there. Now we are going to find the area of quadrant. The value of pi, we are going to use this 3.14. It is given. Now what is the radius? What is the radius of this quadrant? Okay, this is the main question. In this question, we are going to find the radius of this quadrant. Radius of this quadrant is not given. Okay, as you know, from the center to circumference, this is the center of the circle and this is the circumference of the circle. So this is the radius of the circle. You know, in a circle, from center to circumference, this distance is known as radius. This is the center and this is the circumference. So this distance is known as the radius. It means you are going to find the value of OB. Since you know that this is sphere, each sphere having each angle 90 degrees, so this right angle become okay. If this is 20, so this is also 20. So I want to use this angle to finding the length of OB. So right here in right triangle OAB by in right triangle which theorem we can use? Pythagoras theorem. Right here by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, this theorem is known as Pythagoras theorem. Now in this question, hypotenuse is not given. What is the name of this hypotenuse? OB. What is the base? Base is 20. Write here 20 square. Again perpendicular is 20. Write here 20 square. 20 square is 400. Again 20 square is 400. 400 plus 400 become 800. So I write here OB square. When you want to remove this square, so this becomes square root. So this becomes 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 10 into 10. Now this square is completed, so this becomes 20 root 2. So this is the length of OB. Length of OB is also known as radius of the circle. So write here R. So your R becomes 20 root. So instead of R square, I want to write here 20 root 2 and 20 root 2. Okay, when you want to remove this point, so 100 is there. Okay, now see, root 2 into root 2, 2. This becomes 2. First you cancel these two zeros. Okay, now see, 2 2's are 4 and 2 is going to cancel. So this becomes root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2 4's are 8, 2 1's are 2, 2 3's are 6. So subtract 400 from this 628, answer become 228 centimeter square. This is centimeter square. Okay, so this is the answer. From this quadrant, simple question is this one. From this quadrant, you are going to subtract area of this square. Area quadrant, you know, pi r square by 4. Area of square, you know. Side square, side is given 20. 20 square become 400. In this question, you are going to find the radius. This is required. So, using this right angle and Pythagoras theorem, you are going to find the length of this OB. And OB is your radius. Radius become 20 root 2. Instead of radius, you will use this value. Simple. After putting the value, calculate them. This becomes your answer. Now we are going to solve this question number 14. See what is given in this question. AB and CD are respectively of two concentric circles of radius 21 cm and 7 cm. Concentric circle means two circles having same center. So this is the CDR and this is the ABR, both having same center. Okay. Now this angle AOB is given 30 degree. So this angle AOB complete. This is going to be 30 degree. Find the area of shaded region. So simple question is this one. Write here area of shaded region. So this is your shaded region. From the larger sector, we are going to subtract this smaller sector. From the larger sector OAB, we are going to subtract this smaller sector OCD. So in this way, you are going to find the area of this shaded region. So formula become area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. Okay. How you find the area of sector? You know formula pi capital R square theta upon 360 degree. For larger sector, I want to use capital R. For smaller circle, I want to use small r. Okay. So what is common between these two? Pi theta upon 360 is common. What is left? Capital R square minus small r square. Okay. Now value of pi is not given, so use value of pi 22/7. What is the value of theta? Theta becomes 30 degree. Right at 30 degree. Upon 360 is there. Bracket start capital R. This is capital R. Capital R is 21 centimeter and this is small r which is 7 centimeter. Both are given. So instead of capital R, I want to write here 21 square. Minus small r becomes 7 square. Okay. Now see. This 0 is cancelled with 0. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 6 are 12 and this becomes 11. From the exterior, we get 11 into 7 into 6. Now, square of 21 is 441. Square of 7 is 49. Now, write here 11. 7 into 6. Subtract 49 from this 441. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 4 is 9. So, this becomes 392. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So 11 8s are 88. So this becomes 308 by 3. When you are going to divide 308 by 3, this becomes 102.67. Right here 102.67 centimeter square is the simple answer. Okay. From the larger sector, you are going to subtract smaller sector. I find the area of sector pi capital R square theta upon 360 for the larger sector. From the smaller sector, I use small r pi r square theta upon 360. Take common pi theta 360 is common between these two. After taking this common, what is left? Capital R square minus small r square. Capital R is given 21, small r is given 7. The square of 21 is 441, square of 7 is 49. Subtract this value from subtract 49 from 441, 392 is there. After calculate this, the answer become 102.67. So this is your answer.